For this project, we made an LM335 temperature sensor with an Arduino Mega microprocessor.
The first line adds the library for the LCD display. The variables are declared with the int and float commands. The serial begin 9600 allows access to the serial communications port between the Arduino and the computer. The following serial commands take the voltage from the sensor, multiply the voltage by 100. This converts the voltage into Kelvin. From this, we are able to easily convert into Celsius and Fahrenheit. With the serial print commands, we are able to see an output on the computer with each measurement. The commands pin mode backlight output, digital write backlight high, activate the backlight. Next we have LCD begin, LCD clear. These commands start the LCD and make sure it is clear before we set the cursor and begin printing. The if statements are statements that tell the Arduino when to turn the LEDs on and in what order to do so. It does this by sending the code into an if loop, giving it one condition for each statement. For instance, if Fahrenheit is less than or greater than Y, the program tells the Arduino to write to the digital output pin X, a command of high or low on whether the light needs to be turned on or off. The Y values are whatever temperature you set, and the X values are whichever pin you want to be turned on.
The components you will need for this project is a 150 ohm resistor, 4 330 ohm resistors, 2 1K resistors, 1 2K resistor, 1 4.7 K ohm resistor, 1 LM335 temperature sensor, a 16 by 2 LCD display, an Arduino Mega microprocessor, and a bag of wires. We combine all these components to make the circuit you see. It has the Arduino Mega, and out of that Arduino Mega is the LCD display, which displays the temperature. It also has a ground bus and a 5 volts bus. This makes it a lot easier to make the circuit. Without this, there won't be enough grounds and 5 volts from the Arduino Mega. You can also see that we have all the different LEDs coming out of various outputs. In an analog input, we have the LM335, which is sensing the temperature. The result of this schematic is what you see here. This project has 7 LEDs, all mated with the Arduino outputs. When the temperature sensor increments by 10 degrees Fahrenheit, it will turn on each LED. So at 30 degrees, it will turn on the white LED. At 40 degrees, it will turn on the blue LED, and so on. As you can see, as it approaches 40 degrees, the temperature sensor senses slower because it's approaching the temperature of the ice cube. The way we made this project work is we used ice to bring down the temperature of the LM335 to around 40 degrees, and then we let all the LEDs turn off, and then we took the ice off to let it heat back up to around 75 degrees, and at that point we had to use our finger to make it go over 90 degrees. When it gets to 75 degrees, we use our finger to heat it up faster. If we don't use our finger, it will take a longer time to get to around 85 degrees. Our finger will make it go up to around 94 degrees. This is the process to make a thermometer out of an Arduino Mega, an LCD display, LEDs, and an LM335 temperature sensor. I hope you are able to replicate this. Good luck.